where you place the cameras. There is a lot of information available online and at your local library that you may want to research, but for our purposes, let's just look at 3 of the basics. Firstly, you will want to install cameras to view a specific area. It's not economically feasible to put cameras everywhere. You need to focus on the locations that concern you the most. Secondly, there are established federal and state laws that limit the use of surveillance cameras. As a basic rule, install cameras only in public areas. Lastly, you'll want to view people entering or exiting your premises. Typically, that means locating your cameras in high traffic areas, such as by the front and back doors, and perhaps to monitor a parking lot. In our installation at a small vocational school, we are going to install cameras to monitor the safety of the students and staff. We'll start by monitoring the activity in a parking lot. Here, we would like to monitor a stairway and a set of doors leading to the gym. Perhaps you have an area where large groups of people gather, or a hallway in a remote location where there is very little traffic. One of the locations we have selected is in an underground parking lot. From here, we can see who is entering the garage. Also, the shipping area has a garbage bin. It would be helpful to monitor this area to check for any illegal dumping. Now that we have identified the areas to observe, we can start installing the cameras. It is important to note that if your camera is located in an unsupervised area, you should, whenever possible, mount your camera above the 10-foot mark. This will help to deter outsiders from knocking it down. Our first camera is mounted outside on a concrete wall. First, take one of the supplied camera mounting pedestals and place it against the wall where the camera is to be located. Using a marker, trace the 3 mounting hole locations. Use a 5/16 masonry drill bit and drill the 3 holes to at least 1 inch deep. Insert the wall plugs into the holes. Tap them with a hammer until they are fully inserted. Line up the camera pedestal with the 3 wall plugs. Insert the mounting screws and tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. Attach the camera mount to the camera. Mount the camera into the camera pedestal. Point the camera at the area to be observed and tighten the mount. Be sure to remove the protective film covering from the lens of the camera. You are now ready to move on to your second camera location and repeat the mounting process. A dropped ceiling makes cable routing an easy task. Remove the ceiling tile the cable will run through. Fish your cable through the open tile. Take the supplied extension cable and attach it to the camera end. Tie the 2 ends into a knot to ensure the 2 cables will not fall apart. Coil about 10 feet of cable and throw it through the ceiling cavity in the direction you need to route the cable. Remove the ceiling tile closest to where the cable landed. Continue to throw the cable through the cavity until the cable is routed to the desired location. Reach in and pull the cable down. The cable can be surface mounted to a wall or baseboard using a cable stapler or cable clips to fasten. Additional cameras you purchase may be supplied with different connectors than those on the bullet cameras provided with your surveillance system. The camera will have a DC input connector and a BNC video output connector. Plug the power supply into the DC input connector. Connect the BNC connector to any of the available video inputs on the DVR. The other type of connector is RCA. In this case, you will have to purchase an RCA to BNC adapter. First, plug the camera's RCA video output connector into the adapter. Then plug the BNC adapter into any of the available inputs on the DVR. Your home or business installation may require more or different cameras and longer cable runs. Lorex offers a complete selection of accessories and products that you can order online and have delivered within a few days. For more information, visit our website at lorexcctv.com. And of course, Lorex Technology is ready to help you with a full range of customer support services. Online, by email, by toll-free telephone. If you need even more assistance, Lorex can provide a professional security system installer to run cables inside walls or for programming of advanced features of the system. For information regarding our national network of system installers, please visit our website. Thank you for watching this presentation and for choosing Lorex Technology, the leader in advanced security products for your home or business.